It doesn't start. It's a little chilly. Okay. Figure it's the battery. Come out, try to put the battery jump on it, and nothing happens. So, okay, well, maybe my charger isn't charged up. So, as you can see, right now it's at 6.8 volts, so it's really low. So, I've had the charger on here twice now, and you can see, for whatever reason, it just started up. Well, the motor just kicked on. So you can see the motor is on for whatever reason. So it's got to be getting some power somewhere. But as you can see, the wipers are not on. No inside lights. So you can see pushing the button and nothing's happening. Know what's going on. It's spooky. So again, nothing.